Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix. I'm excited. I love Stitch Fix unboxings because everyone gets something different. It's so fun. This month's box is like really heavy and I'm wondering if there's shoes in here, and I never get shoes in my boxes, so I'm kind of excited. So if you want to see right along with me what's in this box, keep on watching. She's open. So Stitch Fix is pretty cool. 20 bucks a box, and 20 bucks goes towards anything you get in the box. Why don't we go ahead and take a look what's inside. There's definitely shoes in this. Oh. Nope, not keeping these. Sorry to anybody who thinks they're cute, but I hate them. They're from Tom's, which is really cool. Okay, so here is the shoes that came with it. Totally 100% not my style. Just right off the bat, that's just not. There's like these little furry bead pom-pom things like across it. They're definitely getting me into the springtime and the summer, and I appreciate that, but this is just not my style. I like something much more simple. The pom things are not my thing. I think these would be super cute on a girl who really likes colorful patterns and bold things on their outfits. I think that would be perfect for someone who wears stuff like that all the time, but this is not gonna work for me. Next. First thing on top here is a black, very long black t-shirt. Matte knit t-shirt dress. Okay, ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for it? Boom, 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 psh. Yeah, she's long. Does this card talk about how to wear t-shirt dresses? I feel ya. They have like boots with like a nice purse with like a touch of color to it, and like a big long sweater cardigan to go over it. Okay, like okay, you know. Next. I think my stylist is mad at me. So here's this shirt that looks like a picnic table and smells funny and has these like, oh my, okay. Red and white like checker marks. It has like these wide bell sleeves. It's this really weird material. I don't know how to describe it exactly. It's like weird. It's hard to explain, but I'm definitely curious to see what it looks like on me. Okay, now I think we're getting more my style here. Let's see. So we've got a sweater and it has these really cute cutout shoulders. I think I'm gonna love this olive green sweater here. So I'm really excited to try that on. See, that is right up my alley. The very last thing in the box is a denim jacket. Actually, I feel like I'm gonna try this with the t-shirt dress. I think that'd be really cute. So it's this adorable denim jacket. I actually really like this. It has like a little wear here, and in other spaces there's cute little pockets. This is really cute, and I think that this would look really cute over top of that dress. So I'm really excited to try some of this on just to see what it looks like and kind of, yeah, just like give it a shot. So why don't we go ahead and do a try on, and then I will tell you guys all my thoughts when we're all done. Audio Jungle. So some really shocking things happened while I was trying that on. I can't believe how much I was feeling the t-shirt dress with the denim jacket, because I have these perfect booties to wear with an outfit like that, and I feel like with like a bright red lip and like a red clutch or a purse. Really surprised me because I did not think I was going to like that, but I loved it. I am not going to pay $58 for that, so I could probably find a long t-shirt elsewhere. I really liked it though. I thought that was really cool. And even the denim jacket's super expensive, so I might just look, now that I know I really like that look, I can go to the mall, search for something similar, and get it for cheaper. Like, honestly, I probably could. So this sweater is super cute. I am definitely digging on this sweater. I think it's so pretty. I love the color, and I love the shoulders. I think the peekaboo shoulders is super cute. Oh my gosh. So I just did a BoxyCharm unboxing, which is probably already posted. You guys, the liquid highlighter. Hold on. I've been waiting for this opportunity for like 10 minutes. Do I even have to talk about that red and white shirt? I feel like I'm probably hurting some people's feelings because they probably are like, oh my gosh, that's like such an adorable shirt. I just didn't like it. I thought that it's just not for me. Just like the wide bell sleeves or just that thing. Oof, that's not, no, not happening. That's only $38 though. So, I mean, like, it would only cost you like 18 bucks to keep that. So that's pretty cool. I don't know, I'm gonna consider getting this sweater actually because I think it's super cute. But anyways, you guys, that completes this month's Stitch Fix unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe by hitting the tempting red button right underneath my video, and I will see you later. Bentley. I'm just a mess right now. What's happening? Can you see? So it has red and black.